Previously on Captain Who Gaming.
It
was a goddamn space alien!
Oh my god!
All I'm saying is you gotta throw me a bone here, bestseller. What would you think if it
we're
was
going
me?
to Lover's Peak.
There's
You're
no
getting a
way
bone.
You should be going. You wanna know where you can shove that flashlight?
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking and welcome back to Alan Wake. I'm excited. We're going to cross a bridge. That's where we left off last time. We're going to cross a bridge. But up to that point, things aren't going so good. We lost our wife, can't ride anymore. Our friend Barry's shown up, and he's being all condescending to us, but we like him anyway because he's keeping us on the straight and narrow. But anyway, we got to get to Lover's Lane. Not Lover's Lane. What am I talking about? We got to get to Lover's Peak because we need to have a make-out session with Barry before we find our wife. So I want our wife to know about Barry. But anyway, let's see what happens on the other side of this bridge. Let's get to it. All right. Are we on the right path? We're on the right path. We're going right. All right. We're going to go across the bridge. Crows. Birds. Shoebirds. Don't bother me. All right. I am sure that absolutely nothing untowards is going to happen as we cross this bridge, right? There's going to be absolutely nothing untowards happening here. Okay. Okay. Why they need to put a sign here? There's no standing right here or you would crush to death. Did we just move a little bit? What's going on? Oh, that's keep door. This thing is so... Okay.
Shit.
Okay. This is just unsafe all around. Oh, excuse you. Are we good? So much unsafety, they need to put a warning label on that thing. Flashlight. Flashlight. Oh god. Oh god. Hello? Who are you? And why are you here? Let's go. Okay.
That flashlight's kid stuff. The flares will keep the bastards
How
away.
dare you make fun of my flashlight?
You can see them too?
Hell, of course I see him. Come on, we gotta move.
Why?
Where's my gun?
Because that's the way the story goes.
Yeah, but
Let's move.
I lost my gun back there.
Where's my gun?
Oh, I've got a gun. Just keep that light steady on him.
Hey-ya!
But then I recognized him.
Hey-ya! Sorry.
I'd been on the ferry when I first arrived here with Alice. He
Okay.
knew my name. We were headed in the direction of Lover's Peak. There was no way this was a coincidence. He
Is
was
this-
the kidnapper.
Is this guy gonna take us to Lover's Peak?
You set him up, and I'll knock him down.
I don't know you. Why are you so keen on me going to... Hello. Ow. Shoot it.
What I got for you?
Oh god. How do I use the flare? How do I use the flare? Ow. Ow. I'm wholly unprepared. I'm wholly unprepared.
2 hours later.
Is just running an option?
Bring it. What I got for you?
Can we just flare this all the way to Lover's Peak? Is that an option? Okay. I just want to grab stuff like that. That's fine. Flare, 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 flare. Alright, good. Let's go. Why is this locked?
Stop fighting me! How's that? Huh?
Move! Ow. much gamer concentration going on right now. I hope you got plenty of bullets, my dude. Nope. Fucking learn to aim. You got one left, dude. Kill him. That guy right there. Thank you. One more time. There we go.
Right up these stairs, Wake.
God dang, you suck.
Use the flares from the emergency box to hold them off while I get these boards off.
You suck.
Yeah, no can do, Wake.
Are you kidding? Give me the gun.
No time
I don't
for
like you.
Hold them off, damn it.
Okay. All right. You know, why don't I just let him get you, and then I can run? Am I gonna have
A
enough?
little longer. Scare them off.
No way.
Get some light on those bastards. That'll keep them off us.
Here's the thing. How about you hurry the hell up?
Just a little longer. I almost got it.
How much longer? Like, can I get? Okay, thank you. Well, fucking move. Light is good. Are you coming? Come on, let's go.
Oh, you feeling better now, Wake? All cozy and safe.
Man, I really don't like you.
Better get ready. They'll be on us soon.
Okay, we got a light right there. We're fine. Look, I've done this before. I need you to quit being so damn condescending, you dick. I can't believe you're the guy I'm going to Lover's Peak with. I could have had Barry.
The last stand.
I could have had
Four
Barry.
players here. Get ready. We fight them as long as they keep coming.
Give me the goddamn gun. They're coming.
That's not how this goes. Get with the program, Wake.
I really don't like you. There's a thermos over there.
Hear that? It's them. Die already, die!
Oh my god. Ow. Nice. Nice. I don't know. Oh god. Hello? Hello? I can't move? Game? Game! I just want to get this thermos. I just want to get this damn thermos. I died for that thermos.
Oh, that's how you want to play it.
Oh, yep. I would love to have a gun. Don't get off the edge, Alan! Oh, piss. Alright, alright. There's one. No! You get back!
I bet it hurts.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
This is a piece of cake, Wake.
Oh yeah, it looks very cakey. Oh, there's one behind me. Stop it! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoot. Oh my god, you suck. You suck! Back, demon. Kill it! One behind you, dumbass! Oh god. Okay. Alright. Hey, can you shoot that, please? Thank you. Oh god. Oh god. Shoot it! Oh my god, I hate this guy. Yeah, take care of the ones behind us first, please. Thank you. Now we can take down the big guy. Is this guy actually starting to learn tactics? I cannot overestimate how much I do not like this guy. Will you hit your shots? This guy is worse at shooting than I am at freaking Siege. Come on now. God dang it. You suck, dude. Good
Let's
grief.
cut the act now. Where's my wife?
I knew you were gonna say that. I read it all before. You're a hell of a writer. Congratulations. You're gonna bring about something glorious and terrible once we get you some proper editorial control.
What the hell are you talking about? Where's Alice?
I want the entire manuscript, or she's gonna suffer bad.
You touch her up.
There you go. I mean, we might have not have went over the edge with him, but that works too, I guess. You know, far be it for me to tell you how to do your Alan Waking. Grab gun, grab gun, grab gun, grab gun, good. Okay, good. Now,
You're gonna give me the manuscript or you'll be sorry.
can I go? Where did my shotgun go?
I swear I'll kill you if you hurt Alice. Do you hear me? Come back here!
Yeah, you son of a bitch. Flare.
He had Alice, and he wanted the manuscript because he thought it held some magical power. But I
Speaking
had
of
no
manuscript,
to give him.
Plop.
I had to get back to Barry and
All right,
figure
so-
out my next move.
Okie dokie. Where? Here, there, where? Oh. Excuse me? Hello? Was that the sound of a demon coming to kill us? Birds. Careful. 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 Alright, we're good. Okay, good, nerd. I see you. Hello? What you doing? It's okay, Alan. It's okay. Calm down. What are you? Why are you ka-chinking?
What the hell? Rusty had warned me about these traps. It hurt like hell. I was stuck.
You know... We're just not going to talk about it. We're just not going to talk about it. See, I know what you are now, and we're not going to fall for your bullshit. I'm going to assume we did... Oh, that's all the traps. Hello. These are the traps that Trapper hadn't picked up yet. God, these things are everywhere. Literally everywhere. We're gonna get jumped here. I feel like there's gonna be a jumping. House? House is good. We like house. Manuscript. What? I may just do a side video at some point, like a small video where we go through all the manuscripts. Hello? Careful. Careful. I keep hearing. Go away. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god. It's alright. We're fine. Everything's fine. Oh my god, we're getting the wobble wobbles again. There's both wobbling and wobbling. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know what that was. I panic flared. I panic flared. And look at me being able to hit all my shots. All right, we're just gonna run. We're just gonna run. Running is good cardio. It also saves lives. Can I go under this? What's going on here? Nope. We were baited. Get you baited. Baited. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Everything's so wobbly and wobbly. Oh, there's a cabin of some sort? Oh, I hear. Oh, crap. Can you get out, sir? Please. Oh, hi. Did not know y'all were there. Oh, you're a biggin'. You're a biggin'. Let me get rid of this guy. Oh god. 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 Please don't. I've come so far. Oh god. Oh god, he's powering up. Oh, okay. Okie dokie. Hi, generator. Generators are fan-fucking-tastic. There's so much going on. Oh, light. We love light. Light is good. Light is fantastic. We love light. Hello? Is this a door? Can I go in? No? Okay. Also fine. Also fine. Also fine. Also fine? Oh, that table was not sturdy. What's in here? Manuscript. Alright, good. We like that, I guess. That doesn't really help us. Rifle! I don't know why I said that as Mickey Mouse, but we'll figure it out later. Here. Oh, batteries. Yes, we like batteries. What do we got? Alright, I think we need to go this way. This way looks good. There's all of this way. Focus? What do oh, wait, I need to focus?
I had heard the plane fall.
Oh, hello.
It made no sense. It was clear that it had just fallen there, but it was very old and obviously hadn't flown in decades. Looking at it sent a shiver down my spine.
I feel like we need to check this out. Oh, we got paint. Paint means we should probably check this out. Oh, there's gobbledygook everywhere. Hello? I need to go this way? Question mark? Oh, yes. Open. Flare. That's all you got for me is one single flare. You know what? That's fine. I'm not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. We'll take it. It's fine. I apologize for complaining. That was so rude of me. Look, I want to go open this thing just for shits and giggles. Okay. Sorry for disturbing you. All right, let's go. We're good. Oh, flare. Nice. Oh, and boom, checkpoint reached. We like a checkpoint. We go over here because there's a light, and we like light. Ah! Oh my god, the reflexes! The reflexes! Fuck the fuck up! Get good! Where's up? Reload. Quickly. Good. Oh god. Not good! Not good! Back up! There's a generator there that I cannot start yet. I'm surrounded by dick bags. Oh god. Start it. Oh, light. We like light. Light's good. Woo, hunting rifle ammo. We'll take that. No. I'm in the light. Fuck off. Alright, where am I going? Do I have a map? Is there a map in this game? There's not a map in this game. I'm gonna head toward... Stop it. I'm gonna head towards this light over here, because that looks safe. I'm gonna head towards whatever this building is. Crap. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. I'm just assuming I'm going the right way. You know what happens when you assume? You make an ass out of you and that other guy. Both the woobles and the wobbles have calmed. Hello? Oh! No. No! No! Chill thy memories. Get! Change. There go! Oh god. Reload. Please! Oh my god, we're the greatest ever. Screw that other guy who can't hit his shots. Don't even remember his name. That's how low tier of a character that guy was. Can't even remember his name. I didn't mean to do that. That was stupid. That's me being Papega. Just ignore that. Ladder. Good ladder. Ladders are good. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh. Whew. All right, we're fine. Everybody calm down. We're fine. Everything is beautiful. Okay. Everything's fine. I don't know. Y'all are panicking over nothing. Everything's fine. Go away. I'm assuming that'll hurt us if we touch it. So I'm just gonna avoid touching it. Hello. We're just going to avoid it like we probably should. Go away. Thank you. Do not come again another day. Oh, hello. Oop. There was another upway somewhere? Right here. Good, 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 good. I'm guessing I'm supposed to do this. Hiya! Hop it up! Oh. Okay, that was unnecessary. I feel like that was very unnecessary. Oh, hello. I about missed you. I'm sorry. Ooh! Okay, I see flares. Flares are good. Flare, flare. Okay. What now? I mean, okay. We got up here. Now what? Oh, ladder. Missed the ladder. Hello? Man who potentially kidnapped my wife? Okay. Alright. 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 That's not a good sound. Can we stop that immediately? Hello. The darkness. Where's her face? Where's whose face? Widowmakers. This man trying to tell me how to avoid a heart attack. Sir? Sir? Good job. Good job, Alan. Alan, you're the best, no matter what anybody says. Hunting rifle, which I already have. Why am I so excited? Oh, I feel like I should be able to go out this way. Oh, hello? Maybe this? Oof. Good job, Alan. Good job. Very good job. Okay, there we go. Calm down, birds. Yes, yes, yes. I will take all of that. Which way to go? We're gonna go this way because why not? We shouldn't have gone this way. There's nothing here. Oh, good. Hello, focus, focus, Alan. Alan, focus. I need you to focus. Back up a little bit. Fuck are you? Oh god. Learn to dodge. Where are you? Oh god. Load faster. Good job, Alan. I never lost faith in you for a second. We are Alan Wake, master of the flashlight and revolver combination. Flare. We like flare. Yay, yay, and yay. Campgrounds. We're going camping. That poor tree. What have you done?
Logging is a hazardous occupation.
Good to know. Oh, no. Bubba. Bubba. Calm down. Bubba, calm down. Bubba. Calm down, Bubba. Bubba. Sir. We had him behind a rock. That's not fair. Sir. I'm died. I'm died. I'm dead. Good job, Ranger Joe. Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of that guy. Nice. Rifle is good. We like the rifle. All right. See, that's what it was. It's not that we suck. We were just being stupid. Anything back here I should be worried about? I feel like probably not, but we're going to look anyway. Because if we don't, the comment section will yell at us. Oh, okay, this looks like it could be something of import. Well, let's find out, shall we? Why not? I mean, you're coming along with me whether you want to or not. I'm assuming you want to since you're watching my video, but we'll see. There's a phone somewhere? Hello?
Barry?
Hello?
Stay out of sight. I'm on my way. Don't open the door. Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Alright, Barry's apparently in trouble now. We gotta say Barry. Barry was supposed to come with us to Lover's Peak, but he didn't. Birds, go away. Campground, campground.
But at least I was out of the woods.
Gimme. So Lover's Peak didn't work out for us too well. Hello? That's a car. Do I want the car? Car is good, I'm guessing. Let's go in here and see what's in here first before we try to take the car, question mark? Manuscript. Well, yes, we're in the women's restroom. Don't judge us, it's 2025. Any rifle ammo? Good. Why do I hear sizzling? Sizzle, sizzle? Oh, it's not sizzling. It's electric bad stuff. Hello? Can I open these? Hi. Okay, nobody. That's locked. That's probably going to present something bad later. Yeah. Oh, okay. I apparently. Hello.
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own.
Interesting.
You can create it, shape it, but as the story grows, it starts wanting things of its own. Change one thing and you set off a chain reaction of events that spreads through the whole thing. The characters have to be true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies.
Well, we definitely don't want to lose
Alice
the
dies.
magic. Okay, rip TV. Oh, hello. Could you not? I'm sorry I interrupted your shit. This man was just taking a shit, and I just interrupted the crap out of him. I apologize. Garage key. So we got a garage key. I'm assuming that does mean we're gonna drive. We're gonna take a car. I just went in there for shits and giggles, but it turns out there was actually something in there I needed. I am psychic. I predict the future. Yes, we get to drive. Nice. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, boy. Vroom, vroom, motherfucker! Where am I going? I'm guessing we're going this way. Got my way, boy! Got my what? Okay. Excuse me. Oh, okay, that's a barrier. Should probably avoid that. Oh, okay. No, everything's fine. Everything's fine. We need to go this way? Get out my way, boy! This actually, this is not too bad actually. Allure? Where am I going? Okay, this is there. We can go back up this way. I think. I'm pretty sure. Barry? Okay, maybe not. Allure? We need to get out here apparently. Hello? What was that?
The flare gun was probably the best
Ooh, flare
weapon
gun.
I could imagine against the dark things I was facing.
Ah! This man has a shovel? Fuck off! Crap! Ow. I didn't mean to use that. It worked, but I didn't mean to use it. Get frued. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Okay. Oh, thank you. Nope, 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 nope. Where are you? Alright, alright. All of this stuff we done been through, right? Ooh, hello, magical street lamp. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hello?
It was
Barry.
the kidnapper. You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
Enough horseplay, Wake. You deliver the manuscript, and you can have your woman back. Simple as that.
I don't... Listen. Listen. I'm gonna need time to finish it. I still need to write the ending. I need... a week.
It's not done.
I need a week.
2 days. The old Bright Falls coal mine is nearby. You can find it easy, city boy. The main building.
City
there at
boy.
noon. You bring the manuscript, you'll get your wife. If not, well, get me.
Yes,
Yes, I get you.
What a dick! We don't like him. He sucks. Barry? Barry! That's a lot of birds. That's a lot of birds.
Barry had talked about birds over the phone.
Oh god. The darkness controls the taken. Let's take all of that. Thank you. Oh god. Oh god. Hello?
Al! Al, I am so glad you're here.
I'm coming.
A couple of them got in here before I blocked the chimney. This isn't normal. These birds are weird.
Why did you lock me out, Barry? I need to get in. Barry! Oh god. Oh god. No wait. I didn't mean to do that. Go away! Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. Barry! 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 Come in, Barry! David, Barry! Barry! Come in, Barry!
Situation is that I'm not allergic to birds. Ah, shoot! Oh, crap.
Where they at? Come on, where they at? Barry! Ow. Ow! Can we not? Barry, for the love of God. Alright, we're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Barry, will you let me in, please? Please, Barry. Oh god.
Barry, you can open the door now. They're gone.
Oh my god. Barry, let me in.
Hey, Al.
Please, Barry.
I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic episode, man.
Oh god, you suck.
I sent Barry to the town to ask around about a man fitting the kidnapper's description. He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he could learn something. Anything about the island and the cabin that had disappeared. The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back. For me, the supernatural had always been nothing but a metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. Now, it was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
We've established this. We can't write anymore. We've forgotten how.
Barry Wheeler speaking.
This is Rose.
Rose?
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet, brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside the town.
We'll be there in less than an hour.
I know.
See you soon.
She doesn't sound very...
Have a great day.
Okay.
Hope you come back soon. Welcome to the Oh Dear
Diner.
That's not good. That's not good. Alright, so that brings us to the end of another chapter. I am really enjoying Alan Wake. I hope all of you are too. The plot thickens. Rose is being taken over by something. Barry is stupid and is falling for it. This dickbag has kidnapped Alice. We got to write a manuscript to get it back, but we can't write it anymore because we suck now. But anyway, I hope everybody's enjoying it. If you are, like, subscribe, leave a comment or two. And as always, I will see you in the next flight. Peace out, everyone. Have a good rest of your life. Captain's orders.